मयूरभंज छाँव एक ऐसी अद्भुत लीला है, ऐसी अद्भुत विधा है कि जिसमें पशु पक्षी प्राणी पेड़ फल फूल पौधे पता नहीं क्या क्या, और उसके ऊपर एक मार्शल आर्ट, इस सारों का जो अद्भुत मिश्रण है, ऐसा शायद विश्व में कहीं नहीं है।
This Farikanda Khedar is actually the creator of martial movements which are very inherent to Mayurbhanj Chhau.
That Mayurbhanj Chhau is the best idiom of dance for dance ballet, Indian dance ballet. For it did not rely on any stylized mudra or abhinay. What he was doing, what it conveyed, was surely through the movements.
A lot of these dances were conceptualized maybe directly by the Maharajas because they themselves had such a good knowledge about the dance.
And I had promised my teacher that whatever he had given me, I will carry on in my life with that. I will preserve it, and it's a responsibility that Guruji gave me, and I'm pursuing with his teaching to me.
Besides, Mayurbhanj Chhau lends itself very easily and very comfortably to drama. I have used several moves from the repertoire of Mayurbhanj Chhau in physical theatre. It is very beautiful. It is very eloquent.
And there he wanted me to show the other gurus like our wonderful Madan Babu, to show him that girls were able to do Chhau.
उसी तरह से आज कितने लोग इस डांस को करते, छाव नृत्य को करते, मयूरभंज छाव, मुझे बड़ा खुशी होता है और सब लोग बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, बहुत अच्छा करते हैं।
The Mayurbhanj Chhau has a distinct character of its own, and in its evolution and growth, it has borrowed freely from the folk and tribal dancers of the region.
Many choreographers have also got inspiration for their own creative work from the Chhau dance.
This is our endeavor to preserve and promote Indian heritage. Today is the last day of Chhau Connect, our 8-day-long virtual dance festival on Mayurbhanj Chhau. My sincere thanks to all our eminent guest artists for their support. It made this initiative a great success. A big thank you to our viewers for their overwhelming response. It's really encouraging, and it shows that our traditional art form are still alive. My sincere thanks to all the dancers, musicians and technicians for their tremendous effort during this pandemic. They made this Chhau Connect a reality. Today, our guest speaker is Carolina Prada. She will share her experience with her guru, Sri Janmanjay Sai Babu, a Sangeet Natak Academy awardee and a veteran guru. He has been teaching Mayurbhanj Chhau in Delhi for several decades and has given us very talented dancers.
Namaskar. We are incredibly grateful and happy to be here in this program tonight. And we would like to commend and felicitate Lok Chanda unit for this tremendous initiative, wonderful for the promotion of Mayurbhanj Chhau. And Maitri Pahari ji, we thank you a lot. We really felicitate you for this big initiative. And we wish all the best to the dancers for tonight's performance. Dance with your heart, with all your veer and vigor, for which Mayurbhanj Chhau is very, very well known.
In the year 1972, I come to Delhi to keep up my family art parampara tradition, how to develop, how to promotion in the field of मयूरभंज छऊ कल्चर. तो ऐसे करते करते मैं छऊ को धीरे धीरे डेवलप किया. हमारा तो फैमिली परंपरा है. मेरे ग्रैंडफादर, मेरे अंकल जी नेशनल अवार्ड इनको मिला संगीत नाटक अकादमी. मैं 34 साल मेहनत करने के बाद मेरा एक उम्मीद था, ये आशा था मुझे भी कैसे अवार्ड मिले. तो भगवान की दया से मुझे भी 2017 का नेशनल अवार्ड संगीत नाटक अकादमी में जो है एक महासागर है, इसको स्पेसिफिक श्री प्रशांत महासागर बोलते हैं. इतना सारे अलंकार है, इतने सारे उफली टोपका पदकरण अभिनय बॉडी लैंग्वेज मार्शल आर्ट जो पद्धति है, इतने सारे होते हुए भी तो एक लड़की को देखा कि मैं इसके अंदर एक विगरस पॉइंट है, एक मेल फॉर्म को एडॉप्ट कर सकता है, क्यों ना मैं इसको कुछ कंट्रीब्यूशन करूँ आर्ट के फील्ड में.
My name is Carolina Prada. I come from Colombia in South America. And I came in 2008 with an Odissi ICCR scholarship. However, before I had been learning Odissi and I had been trained in several styles, body practices, including mixed martial arts. And I saw a video where the Kala Vikas Kendra video where there was Odissi, Gotipua, and Mayurbhanj Chhau. And when I saw this, I was just mesmerized because it was the perfect combination of dance, which I loved, and martial expression, which I also loved. So upon coming to India to Sri Ram Bharatiya Kala Kendra, on 1st July 2008, I enrolled in Guruji's Chhau class. And it was a very, very strong connection with him, and because I saw such a commitment, and since then I've been trying to follow his vision, his guide of how Mayurbhanj Chhau can be developed, can be promoted, and how using the deep roots of the tradition, of the body language, of the style, of the grammar, how new compositions can be explored, the creation of items, and showcasing and basically showing Chhau in different ways. If it is the martial aspect, or if it is the folk aspect, or if it is the classical item, classical items or classical aspects, how many things we can show through the expression, not only the expression of the body, which is already there, but the expression of the face through bhav, through ras, and also the use of mudra and the interpretation of the shlokas and literature, which is part of Guruji's very, very important work in this field, that his method of composition bases greatly upon interpreting shlokas or interpreting literature. So he has always been an inspiration for me because he knows the great value of this art, and as he says, Chhau is like the Pacific Ocean. It is even bigger than that. It is endless. It is limitless. And so we hope that with our small contribution and our hard work, we can help and we can put something of ourselves into this art form. Thank you once again. Namaskar.
Namaskar. I am very happy that the virtual dance festival organized by Chhaoni and supported by EZCC and Lokchanda Cultural Center is getting organized, and this Chhau Connect is a very unique initiative in this present time of pandemic. I think it will greatly motivate the Chhau artists from Mayurbhanj who are very passionately performing Chhau. And let me tell you brief about this glorious dance. Mayurbhanj has the tradition of Chhau dance since last more than 100 years. And I have got the opportunity to work for it in the form of Chhaoni, which we formed in the year 2016. So the journey for last 3-4 years is a very challenging journey. It was a very challenging journey, and we tried to provide a platform for the artist. And in future also our efforts will be on, and I'm very happy that so many renowned dignitaries have got associated with this program now. So we are looking forward for a very bright future for Mayurbhanj Chhau. So thank you so much.